Hi everybody and welcome back. Today we are going to be doing a large deep clean of my refrigerator as well as reorganizing with some bits I got from Amazon. We will also be tackling some basic household kitchen chores, so if you guys need some cleaning motivation, make sure to keep watching and let's get started. Before I started on the refrigerator, I wanted to get some basic kitchen chores done, so I decided to take the trash out because it was full. I also unloaded the dishwasher and hand washed some dishes that I didn't want to put in the dishwasher because I don't think they wash them very well. I then gave the stove top a quick cleaning with my Mrs. Meyer baking soda cleanser or cleaner, and I used my soft scrubber that I just got from the Dollar Tree, and I think it did a pretty good job. But if you guys have been on my channel for a while, you know that I have a hard time getting this stovetop really looking clean. So even though it was clean, it doesn't look 100% better, but I'm gonna have to try and find a different product. But for $1, I think that soft scrub brush did a pretty good job. I also noticed that my stainless steel microwave needed to be cleaned, and I've tried so many products before and nothing really worked. So I tried this furniture polish, which I heard about this idea from Meagan Thomas's channel, and I will link it down below. She actually goes over it with an all-purpose spray and then the furniture polish, but I just went over it with the furniture polish. I tried it out and it did a really good job, so I used it on the rest of my appliances, and I like it way better than using just a regular stainless steel cleaner, so I'm going to definitely keep using that. And now it was time to tackle the refrigerator. This was the before, and it really wasn't too bad, but we just had a lot of stuff and our refrigerator is pretty small, so I wanted to get a better organization system in place. So I ordered some new bins from Amazon, and I will link them down below. I ended up not even using all of them, but I'm glad to have them so whenever I move that I can use them in my new place. But the first thing I wanted to do was just take everything out of the refrigerator and kind of give myself like a clean slate to see what I was working with. I took all the shelves out on the inside and let them soak in my bathtub with hot water and Dawn dish soap instead of just scrubbing them out. I saw this trick on Jamie's Journeys channel, and I will link her channel down below. She said to do this and then you won't really have to scrub, and she was 100% right. I didn't even have to scrub these at all. I just let them soak for the duration of me cleaning out the rest of my refrigerator, and then I came back and just dried them off, and I didn't have to scrub them at all, and it was so nice and they were so clean. I scrubbed the rest of the bins in the fridge out just with some soap and water and let those sit to dry. And then I used another trick that I found on Jamie Journey's channel, and I used some hydrogen peroxide to clean out the inside of the fridge as well as the door. This is just a natural disinfectant as well as a cleaner, and I thought, since I have no idea what has been going on with this refrigerator before I moved in a couple months ago, I think it was best to just disinfect. And as you guys can see, apparently they left some of like the plastic on some parts of the fridge, and they didn't know that. So I ended up taking off some of the plastic and cleaning up, and it just looks so much better. So definitely consider using hydrogen peroxide to clean as well as disinfect. To get an extra deep clean, I went in with some cotton swabs to really get in those like little corners and stuff that I couldn't get in with my microfiber cloth. And then if you guys can see, this is like the bottom of the fridge, and this is more plastic that they apparently just forgot to take off, but it's been sitting on there so long that it got so gross from who knows what. So I took the plastic off, wiped it down, and it just looks so much better, and it was disgusting. So I'm glad to have done this, because who the heck knows what has lived on this part of the fridge for who knows how long. So after hand drying all the bins, I went and got the shelves out of the bathtub, and like I said earlier, I didn't have to scrub them at all. I obviously just had to dry them off and put them back. So if you guys are looking for an easier way to clean out your fridge, this is a tip that I would definitely recommend trying out. Guys, I am so happy with how this fridge looked, just empty and clean. It looked so shiny, and it almost looked like brand new, and I was so proud of myself. So if you guys are just holding off on doing a project and need some motivation for a transformation, just look at this beauty. It's so pretty. But anyway, now it was time to start organizing. I gave some extra room on this bottom shelf to put like drinks and stuff, because for some reason, whoever set this fridge up before me didn't have any common sense. So I made an extra large shelf on the bottom for like taller products. And then I went in and just organized everything, combined some of the fruit, and just did what made sense for myself as well as my brother who lives here with me. So enjoy this part of me organizing. And again, these bins I got from Amazon. They were about $30 something. I want to say like $35. And if you guys are curious about them, they are really, really great and sturdy, and I love how they're clear so you can see everything. So I will have them link down below in the description box.
Take some time and you'll be back another day. I can see us breaking down the barrier. Oh yeah. With the speed of light we cross the stratosphere. Oh yeah. We can go so far, so far. To an unknown destination, can't you see? I can see us breaking down the barrier. Oh yeah.
And here is the after. I am so happy with how it turned out. I honestly just kept opening up my refrigerator last night just to look at it because I was just so proud of myself. And I combined like items and kind of just put stuff where it fit in a way, but kind of in a neat, organized way. And I also put some labels on. If you guys can see, that one says leftovers, and I have a couple more on top. One has it for snacks. This one says deli meats. And then I have one for spreads. And I got these labels on Amazon as well. And if I can find the link, I will link those down below. And they look so nice because they're like clear. So they kind of fit nicely on these clear bins. And I just love how it looks. These are the extra bins I had that I ended up not even using. So I'm just going to save those for my next house, hopefully. And then I went in and just cleared off and cleaned off the counters that I just used for organizing, because I don't know what gunk was all on stuff that was in the refrigerator. Then went into my sink and just used some dish soap and a sponge and gave the sink a quick clean because I was all done using it. And I always like to wait till the end of any project, whether it's cleaning or organizing, to clean out my sink because I end up using it more than I think, and then I don't want to get it dirty again, so I always wait till the end. And then I wanted to wash all the towels and microfiber cloths and stuff that I ended up using for this project because it was a lot. So I threw a load of laundry in before I gave the kitchen a quick sweep and mop because the floor was pretty gross from all the stuff that fell from the refrigerator. So like I said, I gave it a quick sweep and mop, and I used my Swiffer mop pads. If you need some more cleaning motivation, make sure to check out this video as well as this cleaning playlist. It will provide you with plenty of motivation. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more cleaning, organization, and decluttering motivation. And I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye.